Are you having trouble bending over to wash your feet in the shower?
Then this video's for you.
So we received this product from VertaClean. Cool product.
Very cool, yeah.
Yes, this is to assist people in the shower to wash their feet without having to bend over. You can use this in standing, but you can also use this in sitting. So this was really simple to put together.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah,
But it does come with some directions in the box, so that if you need a little bit more directions, and there's got a QR code, you can scan the QR code, or it's got some simple instructions right there. But it was very simple to put together. So.
Yeah, and we just popped this on.
You didn't need any
this
tools
was
either.
all together, and then you just put the brushes in, and then it's got this lovely lavender smelling foot foam soap.
Yeah.
Love that. That pops right down in there.
And then you pull the handle up here
you pull
to
it up.
make the foam. So when you pull the handle, the foam comes up through here, and then there's some foam that comes in between these two sets of bristles here.
You can use these bristles over here to kind of scrub your heel of your feet. And then I love this one. You can slide your foot in this way. You could actually slide it this way, but I kind of like sliding it back and forth this way.
Used it, yeah.
Because it gets up as far as I want it to, and it gets the top of your foot, gets the bottom of your foot, really gets in between your toes. Love that.
Yeah. These are the medium bristles.
Yeah, so they have
the blue ones are the medium bristles.
Yeah, 3 different sets of bristles. They've got the soft ones, they've got medium, and then they've got firm. And we recognize that the medium were actually a little bit too firm for you,
It
right?
was. I had gone through chemotherapy a number of years ago, and I had neuropathy in my feet from it. And so using these blue bristles was a little, my feet were very sensitive to it. And so they had these softer bristles that they sent us, and boy, this made a huge difference. Yeah, huge difference. So, so they have those 3 different levels and stuff depending on your
You know, and I really like this. It gives you, you can rest your hand on the top of it. It gives you that little bit of stability when you're washing your feet one at a time. Now, I'm not saying that this is like a cane and heavy pressure down on this, but it gives you that little balance and stability when you're washing your feet.
Yeah. If you need that much stability, though,
then you should be sitting
down.
down.
Please sit down.
Because again, you can use this sitting down. There's a lot of people that even in a seated position can't reach their feet.
Yep, that's right.
To give them a good scrub.
Absolutely.
So that's very important. It's good for foot hygiene, things like that, and it just feels good too.
It does. It really does. I mean, the suds and the lather and stuff, man, it is really, it's creamy feeling, it's very soft feeling, and then the smell with the lavender and stuff, it's very soothing.
Yep, I love that. So you have the opportunity to replace the bristles when needed, and then of course this foam can be replaced in here. So pretty nice little system for really getting a good cleaning on your feet.
Yeah, so make sure you check it out.